Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to launch Infiniti Q50, updated. Start by placing the car on flat pavement and setting the parking brake while you adjust settings. Shift to Drive, select Sport or Sport Plus if your car has it, and disable any traction aids only if you are in a safe training environment. Make sure tires are warmed and you know escape routes, then we will practice controlled throttle inputs for clean launches. To launch effectively, hold a steady RPM and be ready to adjust throttle quickly to maintain traction. Focus on a smooth release that prevents abrupt wheel spin and use small throttle corrections rather than big bursts. Aim for consistent launches by repeating the sequence and noting RPM, surface grip, and steering control. Remember that tire temperature and road grip change each run, so adapt your inputs and keep safety the top priority. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future guides. Quick recommendation: a great book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and help you budget for upgrades or track days. It pairs oddly well with car obsession. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Safety comes first when practicing launches in your Infiniti Q50, so always choose a controlled environment like a track or closed course. Wear seatbelts, use a spotter if possible, and avoid launches when tires are cold or wet. After sessions, allow components to cool and check for signs of stress on the drivetrain and brakes. Proper maintenance and conservative practice will extend vehicle life and keep your launches predictable and repeatable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.